Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Are you looking for convection cooking microwave? This Samsung microwave MC28H5013AS induction microwave. This one is 900 watts, 28 liters with ceramic inside. Special features: electric defrosting, eco mode, fermentation function, recommended use for cooking healthy and quick meals, defrosting frozen food, making bread and yogurt. This microwave, so you can choose up to 20 auto programs and enjoy variety of easy dinner option, and experiment with fermentation function, power defrost function, which means you don't have to wait longer period. Eco mode uses less power while cooking your food. Also, you have option for take out the turntable, to give you more room if you need to heat up a large plate. And also, this microwave is with child safety lock, which will stop little one opening the door if you're not around. And I use it all the time, and it deserves your attention. This Samsung microwave, combination microwave, large capacity, 28 liters, oven temperature up to 200 degrees centigrade, 20 auto cooking programs, maximum microwave power 900 watts, and turntable diameter 318 millimeter. This microwave deserves your attention. Thank you.